There are a few different ways to make money playing crypto games. The most common way is to simply buy in-game items or currency and then sell it for a profit. Another way is to participate in tournaments and events that offer prizes in cryptocurrency. Finally, some games offer rewards for simply playing the game, which can be earned and then sold for a profit. Whatever method you choose, there are a few things to keep in mind in order to maximize your earnings. First, be sure to research the game and understand the market for in-game items. Second, be patient and don't expect to get rich quick. It takes time and dedication to make good money playing crypto games. Finally, have fun. If you're not enjoying yourself, you're not going to make as much money as you could. The rise of blockchain and cryptocurrency has given rise to a new type of gaming experience, play to earn. In these games, players can earn real cryptocurrency rewards for their in-game achievements. This new type of gaming is changing the landscape of the gaming industry and is providing players with a new way to make money from their passion. Play-to-earn games are still in their early stages, but there are already a few standout titles that are worth checking out. Here are one play-to-earn crypto games that you can start playing today to start earning rewards. 1. CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties is a popular blockchain-based game that allows players to collect, breed, and trade digital cats. These digital cats are each unique and can be traded with other players. CryptoKitties was one of the first play-to-earn games, and it remains one of the most popular. 2. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game that allows players to collect, train, and battle digital monsters. These monsters, called Axies, can be bred to create new generations of Axies. Players can also earn rewards by participating in the game's arena mode, which pits players against each other in battles. 3. Gods Unchained. Gods Unchained is a digital collectible card game that allows players to use real cryptocurrency to buy, sell, and trade cards. The game features a competitive mode where players can battle each other for rewards. Gods Unchained is one of the most popular play-to-earn games, and it has already attracted a large community of players. 4. Spells of Genesis. Spells of Genesis is a blockchain-based game that combines elements of trading card games and arcade games. In the game, players collect cards and use them to battle enemies. The game also features a trading system where players can trade their cards with other players. 5. Blockchain Cuties. Blockchain Cuties is a blockchain-based game that allows players to collect, breed, and trade digital animals. These digital animals can be cats, dogs, bears, and even dragons. Players can also earn too. What are crypto games? Crypto games are becoming increasingly popular as a way to make money from cryptocurrency. They offer a fun and exciting way to earn cryptocurrency and can be a great way to get started in the world of crypto. There are a few different types of crypto games, and each has its own unique benefits. One of the most popular types of crypto games is the casino game. Casino games can be played for free or for real money and offer a great way to win cryptocurrency. There are a variety of different casino games to choose from, including slots, blackjack, roulette, and more. Crypto casinos typically offer a variety of different bonuses and promotions, which can be a great way to boost your earnings. Another popular type of crypto game is the trading game. Trading games allow you to trade cryptocurrency for other types of currency or for other assets such as gold and silver. These games can be played for free or for real money and offer a great way to earn cryptocurrency. Finally, there are also a variety of other types of crypto games, such as games that allow you to earn rewards for completing tasks, or games that allow you to invest in real-world assets. Whatever type of game you choose, you can be sure that you'll have a great time playing and earning cryptocurrency. Tips for earning money from crypto games. Cryptocurrency games are a great way to earn some extra money. Here are 4 tips to help you make the most out of your earnings. 1. Play multiple games. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Playing multiple games gives you a better chance of earning more money. 2. Use a cryptocurrency exchange. Using a cryptocurrency exchange is a great way to convert your earnings into cash. This way, you can cash out your earnings whenever you want. 3. Use a cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a great way to store your earnings. This way, you can keep your earnings safe and secure. 4. Use a cryptocurrency trading platform. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe channel. See you next time.